285A from Carnegie Vanguard. On the Red Alliance, we have team 3674R from Energy Institute. They're by themselves in this match. Their partner has not completed inspection yet. We're gonna go ahead and start this match. Everybody's ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Really nice score in autonomous so far. Let's see if they can do something with it. Oh, spoke too soon there. Might still count. Robot's still touching it. So it's Robot's still touching it. We got no score in autonomous on either side. It's all tied. Let's start the teleop. Let's start the teleop. On, shh, pay attention. Quit talking. 3, 2, 1, go. So both of these alliances are scoring quite a bit with those mobile goals. It looks like there's going to be some pretty high stacks here. Very impressive performance by both teams so far. Very nice mobile goal score from the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance needs to answer. They're trying to make a stack. The Energy Institute is slowly building a stack, but they just can't keep up with the pace of 60x. Very quick in putting on stacks and then scoring those mobile goals. Nice mobile goal score by 285A. So that's 30-second timer. Red continues to try to put some more points on there, but they're struggling. It's a 1 versus 2 match, so they're at a disadvantage. And remember, we have match 10 coming up, guys. We only got 1 robot queued up so far. We need to find those other robots. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of the match. Very nice scoring.